Good morning, class. Today I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter proposal. Lomov enters exhausted. My heart is palpitating awfully. My foot is gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. Lomov has the attack of the palpitation, and whenever he has the attack of the palpitation, his foot gone to sleep means becomes numb, and something is pulling in his side. Natalia, forgive us, Ivan Vaslovich. We were all a little heated. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours. Now Natalia surrenders herself and says that Oxen Meadows is not her, but Oxen Meadows belongs to Ivan Vaslovich. Lomov, my heart is beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Twitching means here खुजली होना. His eyebrows start twitching. Natalia, the meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Do sit down. And they sit. We were wrong. Natalia says that yes, really, the Oxen Meadows is not her. It is your. Lomov, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but principle. Lomov says that I was quarreling with you for the ownership of the Oxen Meadows, not for the reason that that land has much importance for him, but it was the matter of principle. That's why principle means Siddhant. Natalia, yes, the principle, just so. Now let's talk of something else. The more so as I have evidence. Evidence means proof. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather peasants. And Lomov said that I has evidence, proof, and he again started telling the story that my aunt's grandmother has given that land to your father's grandfathers for plowing freely. Natalia says, yes, let that pass aside. I wish I knew how to get him started. Aloud, are you going to start shooting soon? Natalia now changed the topic of discussion and she says that yes, that Oxen Meadows is not her, that Oxen Meadows belongs to him. And then he says that are you going to start shooting? Are you going for shooting? Lomov, I am thinking of having to go at the Black Cock, honored Natalia Stepnova, after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog Guess, who you know has gone lame. And Lomov informs Natalia that yes, he was planning to go for hunting the black cock, but a very ill thing happened with his dog. He says that my dog is Guess, my dog name is Guess, and he has gone lame. वह लंगड़ा हो गया है. Natalia, what a pity. Why? Lomov says, I don't know, must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. Lomov says that कि या तो उसका पैर मुड़ गया है या किसी कुत्ते के द्वारा काट लिया गया है. Size, my very best dog, to say nothing of expense. I have Mirno 125 rubles for him. And Lomov says that कि मेरा डाक सबसे अच्छा था और उसकी कीमत 125 रूबल्स मैंने दी थी. Natalia, it was too much, Ivan Vaslovich. Lomov, I think it was very cheap. Here is the first red dog. नतालिया कहती है कि ये जो कीमत आपने दी है इवान वैस्लोविच गेस के लिए 125 रूबल्स, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. लोमोव कहता है कि मेरे हिसाब से वह मैंने बहुत सस्ते में उसे ख़रीद लिया है क्योंकि वो एक अच्छी नस्ल का डॉग है. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than guess. The name of the Natalia's dog is Squeezer, and she informs Lomo that her father has bought Squeezer only in 85 rubles, and Squeezer is younger than the guest. Lomo, Squeezer better than guest? What an idea! And laughs, Squeezer better than guest. Lomo laughs at over the Natalia when she says that Squeezer is better than guess. Natalia, of course he is better. Of course, Squeezer is young and he may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree. Pedigree means race, nasl. He is better than anything that even the Volchensky has gone. Volchensky has gone. Volchensky, it is a race, dog's race. And Natalia says that my squeezer is young and your guess is old, and so the race of the squeezer is better, is not as good as guess, and but he is young. Lomov, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot. Overshot means one who goes out for the destination, टारगेट, जो निशाने से बाहर जाए. तो लोमोव सेज दैट कि स्क्वीजर इज ओवरशॉट, एंड ओवरशॉट ऑलवेज मीन्स द डॉग इज बैड हंटर. लोमोव सेज दैट योर डॉग इज ओवरशॉट, ही डज नॉट गो टू द टारगेट. Natalia, overshot? Is he? The first time I hear it. Natalia does not accept it. Lomov, I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. लोमोव कहता है कि उसका जो नीचे वाला जबड़ा है बड़े वाले से छोटा है. नतालिया, हैव यू मेजर्ड? क्या तुमने नापा है? लोमोव, यस, ही इज़ ऑल राइट एट फॉलोइंग ऑफ कोर्स, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग. वो लोमोव कहता है ही इज़ ऑल राइट एट फॉलोइंग ऑफ कोर्स. वो ठीक है वास्तव में, लेकिन इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब आप कोई चीज़ पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. नतालिया, इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस आवर स्पीचर इज थ्रू ब्रेड एनिमल, द सन ऑफ हार्नेस एंड चीसल, while there is no getting at all pedigree of your dog at all. He is old and ugly as worn out cab horse. नतालिया कहती है कि मेरा स्क्वीजर जो है प्योर ब्रेड एनिमल है, वो हार्नेस और चीसेल्स का सन है. एंड हार्नेस एंड चीसेल्स, दिस इज़ द डॉग रेसेस, डॉग की नस्लें हैं. while there is getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. वो कहता है कि तुम्हारे डॉग की जो पेडिग्री है, पेडिग्री मीन्स नस्ल है, वो बिल्कुल कोई नहीं जानता. ही इज़ ओल्ड और अगली, वह बूढ़ा और बहुत भद्दा है. वॉर्न आउट कैब हॉर्स, वो बहुत थका हारा कैब, एक घोड़ा गाड़ी खींचने वाला कुत्ता है. लोमो, ही इज़ ओल्ड बट आई वुडंट टेक 5 स्क्वीजर फॉर हिम. वो कहता वो बूढ़ा है, मैं उसके बदले में 5 स्क्वीजर खरीद सकता हूँ. वाई, हाउ कैन यू गेस इज अ डॉग एज स्क्वीजर? वेल, इट इज़ टू फनी टू आर्ग्यू. एंड लोमोव सेज दैट कि गेस कैन नॉट बी कंपेयर टू, स्क्वीजर कैन नॉट बी कंपेयर टू गेस. Anybody you like has a dog as good to as squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. Lomov says that squeezer एक कामन है और कोई भी squeezer को रख सकता है. वो किसी भी झाड़ी के पीछे देखा जा सकता है. 25 rubles would be handsome price to pay for him. और उसको 25 rubles में हम एक अच्छी प्राइस होगी उसको खरीदने के लिए. Natalia, there is some demon of the contradiction in you today. Ivan Vaslovich. First you pretend that meadows are yours. Now that guess is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. Why do you want to say he isn't? Natalia says that in your talking there is always opposition, and first you claims that Oxen Meadows is yours. After that you want to prove that guess is better than squeezer. But don't know uh, I don't know what kind of man you are, but I know that squeezer is better than guess. Now Lomov and Natalia start quarreling over the superiority of their dogs. Lomov is saying that guess is better than squeezer, and Natalia is saying that squeezer is better than guess. Lomov, I see, Natalia Stepanova, that you consider me either blind or fool. You must realize that squeezer is overshot. And Lomov says that your dog squeezer is overshot. Overshot means he does not go direct to the target. Natalia, it's not true. Lomov, he is. Natalia, it is not true. Lomov, why shout, madam? Natalia, why talk rot? Rot means rubbish. तुम क्या बकवास करते हो? It's awful. It's time your guess was short and you compare him with squeezer. नतालिया कहती कि तुम्हारा जो गेस है वो was short, मार दिया गया, और तुम उस गेस की तुलना स्क्वीजर से कहते हो. Lomov, excuse me, I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating. Once again, Lomov has the attack of the palpitation. His heartbeats increases, and he says to Natalia that I cannot continue conversation. Natalia, I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least. नतालिया कहती है कि वो हंटर्स ज़्यादा बहस करते हैं जो कम जानते हैं. लोमो, मैडम प्लीज़ बी साइलेंट, माई हार्ट इज़ गोइंग टू पीसेस. वो कहता है मैडम शांत हो जाइए, मेरा हृदय जो है फटने जा रहा है टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में. साउट शट अप, और चिल्ला करता है चुप हो जाइए. नतालिया, आई शांट शट अप अंटिल यू एक्नॉलेज दैट स्क्वीजर इज़ 100 टाइम्स बेटर दैन योर गेस. नतालिया कहती कि मैं तब तक नहीं चुप होंगी जब तक तुम ये स्वीकार नहीं करते कि मेरा स्क्वीजर तुम्हारे गेस से 100 गुना अच्छा है. लोमोव, 100 टाइम्स वर्स. बी हैंग टू योर स्क्वीजर, हिज हेड आई सोल्जर्स. लोमोव कहता है कि वो 100 गुना ख़राब है. तुम्हारे स्क्वीजर को मैं लटका दूंगा, उसके सर को, आँखों को और उसके कंधों को. नतालिया, देयर इज़ नो नीड टू हैंग योर सिली गेस. नतालिया कहती क्या तुम्हारे मूर्ख गेस को लटकाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ही इज़ हाफ डेड ऑलरेडी, वो पहले से आधा मरा हुआ है. लोमो पीप्स, वो चिल्लाता है शट अप, माई हार्ट इज़ ब्रस्टिंग, चुप हो जाओ, मेरा हृदय फटा जा रहा है. नतालिया, आई शांट शट अप, मैं नहीं चुप होऊंगी. एंटर चुबुको. तभी चुबुको आ जाता है. चुबुको, व्हाट्स द मैटर नाउ. नतालिया, पापा टेल अस ट्रूली which is better, our squeezer or his guess. Lomov, Stepan Stopanovich, I implore means request you to tell me that just one thing, is your squeezer overshot or not, yes or no. Lomov asks a question to Chubukov that is your squeezer overshot or not. Chubukov, and suppose he is, what does it matter? He is best dog in the district for all that, and so on. Chubukov says that he is a bit overshot, but he is the best dog in whole district. Lomov, but isn't my guess better really now? Lomov कहता क्या मेरा guess जो है नहीं अच्छा है. Chubukov, don't excite yourself, my precious one. Chubukov कहता है कि ज़्यादा उत्तेजित मत होइए. Allow me your guess certainly has his good points. तुम्हारे गेस में कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं. ही इज purebred, firm on his feet, and has well sprung ribs. वह अच्छी नस्ल का है, उसके पैर मजबूत हैं, वो उसकी पसलियाँ मजबूत हैं, and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know truth, the dog has two defects. चुबुकोव कहता है कि अगर आप अपने कुत्ते की कमियां जानना चाहते हैं तो उसकी दो कमियां हैं. ही इज़ ओल्ड एंड ही इज़ शॉर्ट इन मजल. वह बूढ़ा है और उसका नथुना छोटा है. नथुना मीन्स माउथ. Lomov, excuse me, my heart, let's take the facts. You will remember that on Maruskini hunt, my guest ran neck to neck to the count's dog, while your scourger was left a hole worst behind. लोमोव कहता है कि काउंट्स हंटिंग के दौरान काउंट के कुत्ते के साथ मेरा कुत्ता गर्दन से गर्दन मिला के दौड़ रहा था, जबकि तुम्हारा स्कूजर पीछे छूट गया था. चुबुकोव, ही गॉट लेफ्ट बिहाइंड बिकॉज काउंट्स विपर इन हिट हिम विथ हिज विप. चुबुकोव कहता है कि वह पीछे इसलिए छूट गया क्योंकि काउंट्स के जो कोड़े मारने वाले थे उसे कोड़े मार रहे थे. लोमोव, एंड विथ गुड रीजन द डॉग आर रनिंग आफ्टर अ फॉक्स व्हेन स्क्वीजर गोज एंड स्टार्ट्स वरीइंग अ शीप. लोमोव कहता है कि कारण ये था कि आपका कुत्ता दूसरे कुत्ते लोमड़ी के पीछे दौड़ रहे थे और आपका स्क्वीजर जो है वो एक भेड़ के पीछे दौड़ने लगा. चुबुकोव, इट्स नॉट ट्रू माय डियर फेलो. आई एम वेरी लाइबल टू लूज माय टेम्पर एंड सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लेट्स स्टॉप आर्ग्यूइंग. यू स्टार्ट बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज ऑलवेज jealous ऑफ everybody's dogs. Yes, we are like that. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You know, sooner begin with this and other and all that. I remember everything. Chubukov says that you had a jealousy towards my dog Squeezer. That's why you say that your dog Gaze is better than Squeezer. Lomov, I remember too. Chubukov, teasing him. I remember too. What do you remember? Lomov once again complains about his heart. He says that my heart is palpitating, my foot gone to sleep, and I can't. Natalia, teasing, उसे चिढ़ाते हुए, my heart, what sort of hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch a black beetles, not go for foxes, my heart. Natalia just laughs at the Lomov and says that you call yourself hunter, but I don't think that you are a hunter. You should go to kitchen oven and you should not go for hunting the black beetles, but you should go to the kitchen and you should not go for hunting the foxes because you always complain about your heart.